Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to promote Temu affiliate links using TikTok. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your TikTok account, which of course I've done right here. You can find TikTok on Apple Store or Google Play Store. Launch any of those applications, locate the search bar. In the search bar of the applications, type TikTok. Once you do that, follow through the on-screen prompt to download and install the application. Upon installation and successful downloading, it's going to take you right into the application itself. We're going to be asked to either log in using an existing account or to create a new account. Whichever one, once you sign in successfully, is going to take you to this homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in TikTok. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's task, which is how to promote Temu affiliate links using TikTok. To do that, then you have to create a post. Let's say create a video. First off, you need to head over to Temu and launch your Temu account and select any of the product that you would like to promote. So once you select any of the products, click on the product and locate the share button from the product. Once you locate the share button, it's going to take you to a window where you can now share to different social media platforms, or you can copy the link of that product. Copy the link, and once you copy the link, you can go ahead and take screenshots of the product from Temu. Then once you take screenshot of the product and you copy the link, head over to TikTok, and from the bottom of the screen, go ahead and click on the plus icon. Once you click on this plus icon in here, it's going to take you to this page. So head over to upload and click on upload. So from here, you're going to see here your phone's gallery where you can now select the pictures. Let's say, so you can now select the pictures of the product that you copied from Temu. So let's say this is a product. It's not a product, right? I'm just selecting something at random. Let's say this is a product that you screenshot. They take a screenshot of on Temu. So go ahead and click on next. And once you click on next, at the bottom right corner, it's going to take you right here. You can see that like a fruit or something like a slide. So go ahead and click on next. And once you click on next, it's going to take you here. Now in this window, that's the create more information content where you get into greater detail with 4,000 characters. Go ahead and give a description of the product. Once you give a description of the product, it could be the description that you copied from Temu. After giving, let's say, this is my description. So these are awesome products. Then go down and copy, go ahead and paste the link to that product that you copied on Temu. So go ahead and paste the link in here. Just hold down and click on paste. And once you click on paste, the link is going to be pasted here. Once the link has been pasted, you can let them know that this is from Temu. Go ahead and give a call to action and say buy now, order now, or something. And once you're done, go ahead and click on this post button at the bottom right corner of your screen. And once you do that, that's going to be it. That's how you'll be able to promote a Temu affiliate link using TikTok. I can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. Of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.